Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I decided to shake things up a little bit. Usually you guys see me do one client one-on-one the entire session, but you really don't see a glimpse of what really goes on in an entire workday for me. So today I have 3 clients. I have 2 full highlights and an all over color, and I want to take you guys on the ride. So this is what a real workday looks like for me, between 3 to 4 clients, sometimes 12 hours, sometimes 18 hours, but I want you guys to see what really goes on, how many things I do, and what I'm doing with these clients on a daily basis. So if this is something you like, let me know down below so I can keep putting them out for you. And also, if you want to see this, then keep watching. Don't forget, I am posting 3 times a week now. I do need video ideas so I can get videos out for you guys. I want to do full time with YouTube. So let me know in the comments down below exactly what you want to see. Don't be shy, just shout it out. I want to give variety. I want to give vlogging. I want to give hauls. I want to give, of course, hair. Hair is my main thing. It's always been my main thing and it will always be my main thing. But I want to venture out and just get a little taste of different things. So if this is something you want to see and you want to see what my day consists of, keep watching. All right, working into my first client of the day. It's my mother's good friend and my loyal client, Sandy. She comes every 6 weeks for a full baby light. Every second to third session, I will do a low light in there every third foil, and that happens to be today. I always use Colorance 7N 7G for my blondes. That's that perfect low light, not too dark, not too light, but a perfect blend. With her, I bring it down 2/3 the way. I stagger it. Some I do 1/3, and I do this to give her a better grow out transition. She is a natural level 2. She can literally say she's a natural soft black. A lot of people think they have black hair, and they're really a level 3 or 4. They're not really a black. She is a true soft black. She's almost black blue. She's literally a level 2. So every time I go and I do 20 volume, I don't want to over process the hair and use a 30 or 40. We know, we've tried, and she always lives to that perfect level 8, which is an orange yellow. When she hits that mark, I know she's done, and I go in and I shadow her with a level 7 every single time. You guys will see in a moment how she lifts. Sometimes you got to accept facts. She's never going to lift to a perfect level 10 in one session. It took me a few sessions of doing her hair to realize that. I always tried to let her sit and push it. I've even let her sit an hour and a half before processing time after I finished foiling, and she still did not budge past that level 8. So I already know every time she comes, we're going to shadow her down, get her to an 8. And then the next time she comes in, I'll run down through that old band. And as time goes on, she will lighten up to that level 10. And eventually she'll look more solid towards the ends.
Those medical pills are pushing me over. I kill my fill 3 times a day. These ethanol fumes won't make me sober. One flame to take the pain away. I caught you lighting matches in the back room. Haters look mad when they pass you. Let's talk about around when it's past 2. Reach a glass to know you don't gotta fight alone. You don't gotta fight alone. Don't be so personal. Take me out of the road. I'm going under. Take me out of the road. I'm going under. All we love, all we've done is just sit around wasting our time. Take me out of the road. I'm going under. Wasting our time. I'm going under. Everyone's seen death in their dreams, but we still wake up and go to sleep. Everyone's seen death in their dreams.
All right, I let her process for 45 minutes. You guys can see here, she lifts to a perfect yellow-orange, which is a level 8. Every time I always use my Ride or Die Colorant 7N 7NA, more 7NA than more 7N. on her. And for her all over toner, I'll use my Ride or Die 10V 10P in Colorants. And this is my go-to formula for her every 6 weeks.
But we still wake up from our sleep. I'll be home soon. You don't gotta fight alone. You don't gotta fight alone. You don't gotta fight alone. Don't be so personal. Take me out of the I'm going under. Take me out of the I'm going under. Who do you rely on now? I know the worst.
As soon as I finished up Sandy taking pictures outside, my second client rolled right in, which is Maggie. This is Patty's sister. Patty used to be my assistant at my last salon. If you're a real true Brett Ryan supporter and you watched me since the very beginning, you know who Patty is. She's been in tons of my videos, whether she was assisting me or actually modeling in them. This is her sister Maggie. She usually comes in and does the Elsa White, always a full baby light. She spontaneously wanted to go darker. I didn't have a time slot anytime soon to get her in for a full low light. So what we did is we kicked it old school and did an all over color. I had 2 concoctions. The first one on her root was 6N, 6NB. She's a natural level 6. I wanted to warm it up and richen it up a little bit. And then her all over color that I painted on was Shades EQ 7NW, 8WG, 8GI, 9N, 9MB, 9GB. So I had a few minutes break and I rolled into my third and final client around 4 p.m. She was here about a month ago. She had beautiful hair. She was an all over black box dye user. She's done it twice, overlapped both times, so it led to a lot of banding. Today I brought her right back and we did another tightly packed baby light. This is the second time, and this is the way I believe to keep the hair healthy and get blonde and kick all that old color out without compromising the hair too much, and that is by baby lighting. Small sections process way better. You guys know I always talk about that here on this channel. It's a lot of work for me, but if you want good hair, you just gotta work for it, and I know my clients appreciate it. So I did a really tightly packed baby light, very small, minimal subsections, almost non-existent, and I packed these foils in. I didn't do any slicing around the face because I didn't want a multi-toned money piece. So I did really small baby lights with barely any subsections around the face. I did 4 of them around the entire hairline, and then I kicked it back into regular baby lights. I am using Oxycur with 20 volume and a 16th ounce of Olaplex, and we're just gonna pack these foils in.
Those medical pills are pushing me over. I kill my fill 3 times a day. These ethanol fumes won't make me sober. One flame to take the pain away. I caught you lighting matches in the back room. Haters look mad when they pass you. Let's talk about around when it's past due. Reach a glass, do know. You don't gotta fight alone. You don't gotta fight alone. Don't be so personal. Take me out of the
Since she had the permanent dye, we have a lot of unevenness and all kinds of stuff going on. So what I did is I went in and I did Redken Shades EQ 5N, 5NA on her base for the first 1.5 inches. I did a shadow. And now I'm doing a mids toner for about 2 or 3 inches, 6N, 7NA. And that will transition into the lighter ends. And this will bring everything down since she had hot roots and she lifted to a perfect level 9-10 because that hair didn't have black dye on it. So now I'm gonna lay her back and we're gonna tone her and I'll show you the results. Stay tuned. OMG, you guys, look at all this beautiful results from this client, the second client, the third client. Talk about beautiful hair. This was an amazing day and I loved giving you guys a different kind of video where I show behind the scenes of all of my clients. You guys always see one-on-one videos. I wanted to give you a different take on what it really looks like behind the scenes of a full day of clients and how much work I really put into it. And of course, leave plenty of video ideas down yonder in the comment section as well. I will be posting 3 times a week and I want to post different videos for you guys, but I want to post different videos that you guys want to see. It's always going to be hair and life and a different few kinds of videos. All right, guys, until the next one, as always, so long for now.